In this video, I'll be showing you how to outline text on Photoshop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's super simple to go ahead and do this, but all you want to do is go ahead and open up your Photoshop application. Now, all you want to do is go ahead and open up any image that you want. Let's say I want to add some text above. So all I want to do is go over to the text tool right here, and then I can make a box where I want the text, and then I can just do something like and subscribe. So once you go ahead and write whatever you want, I can literally just change the color if I want to. So we'll just go ahead and, we'll keep it white to be honest. And let's say I want to make this bigger. So I'm just going to scale it up quite a lot, just customly like this, just so it's quicker. Obviously, it's not going to be super accurate. You don't want to do it this way usually. And then once you have it, what you can do is on the right, you're going to see all your different layers. Double click on your text layer. Once you do, you're going to see one of the options, which is stroke. Go ahead and click on that, and then as you can see, there's an outline originally, but it's a very small outline. So over here, you're going to be able to change the size of it. So you can make it massive if you want to, and you can change the position. So if you want the outline outside, it's like that. If you want it inside, it's just going to cover the whole thing. And then if you want it to be in the center, you could do that as well. But I think outside is definitely the one that looks the best. And I also think white and black is the best because it can stand out literally with any background. So that's really useful. And then, yeah, you'll literally be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.